A Roman Catholic nun, Mother Teresa, said, "Be faithful in small things, because it is in them that your strength lies." Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. We ourselves feel that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean, but the ocean would be less because of that missing drop. Intense love doesn't measure, it just gives. Not all of us do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Kind words can be short and easy to speak, but their costs are truly endless. The hunger for love is much more difficult to remove than the hunger for pride. If you can't feed 100 people, then feed just one. Yesterday is gone, tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. Let's begin. I have found a paradox that if you love until it hurts, there can be no more hurt, only more love. We shall never know all the good that a simple smile can do. Love cannot remain by itself. It has no meaning. Love has to be put into action, and that action is service. The most terrible poverty is loneliness and the feeling of being unloved. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. What can you do to promote world peace? Go home and love your family. I alone can't change the world, but I can cast a stone across the borders to create many ripples. I want you to be concerned about your next door neighbor. Do you know your next door neighbor? I'm not sure exactly what heaven will be like, but I know that when we die and it comes time for God to judge us, He will not ask, "How many good things have you done in your life?" Rather, He will ask, "How much love did you put into what you did?" God doesn't require us to succeed. He only requires that you try. If you have no peace, it's because we have forgotten that we belong to each other. It's not how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. Joy is a net of love in which you can catch souls. Never travel faster than your guardian angel can fly. Let us always meet each other with a smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. If you are humble, nothing will touch you, neither praise nor disgrace, because you know what you are. Don't wait for leaders, do it alone, person to person. We don't need guns and bombs to bring peace. We need love and compassion.